and I'm setting up using the IP bracket placer or bracket holder, which each one of them has a gauge for the height of the bracket in the back. And this way, by using these holders, I can have all my brackets set up with the right height, so I don't have to be changing instruments as I go along. Another thing that also it's a good thing to have with this bracket delivery system, it tells you how to hold the bracket, what goes gingival. That way when you're in the mouth, you don't have to be twisting your hands to try to get the right height. So I like to have everything set up before I start. So once we start working, I just can have my assistant pass me one bracket after another without stopping, making my bonding process a lot more efficient. Now, for video purposes, I am setting this up right now, but this typically should be set up for you by your assistant as you are doing something else more productive. Your assistant can be preparing all this setup for you, and the only thing you have to do is come back to the chair and start your bonding process. All the prescriptions heights are pre-printed from the IP soft after doing the full exam and evaluation on the patient. So the assistant knows which bracket holder to use, as the bracket holders indicate different heights. I am using a standard height on Andy, and I'm just following the prescription that I have printed right in front of me, so I don't have to think much about what I need to do. Makes the process a little faster and easier.